See, this is exactly similar as the time and work topic. If a man can do a piece of work in n days, in 1 day he can complete 1 by nth of the work. Similarly, if a pipe A can fill the tank in n hours, in 1 hour it can fill 1 by nth of the tank. That is the logic we have to use. And if you go through the first question, first problem, 3 taps are available. 3 taps are present. P, Q and R can fill the tank in 10, 20 and 30 hours respectively. Three pipes are there filling the same tank. They can individually fill the tank in 10 hours, 20 hours and 30 hours respectively. 30 hours respectively. If P is open all the time, P is open all the time and Q and R are open for 1 hour each alternatively, then the tank will be full in how many hours? Tank will be full in how many hours? So this is the hours I am taking. So first hour, second hour, third hour, like that. These are the hours I am taking. And P is open all the time. Pipe P is open all the time. And pipe Q and R alternatively they are open. So in the first hour, P and Q are filling the tank. Second hour, P and R are filling the tank. Third hour, P and Q. Fourth hour, P and R. So like that it continues. In how many hours the full tank we can expect? In how many hours full tank we can expect? And if you see here, they are able to fill the tank in 10 hours, 20 hours, 30 hours respectively. So based on the time and work, I will try to write the equations based on the time and work topic. I will try to write the equations. So P can fill the tank in 10 hours if operating individually. So P in 1 hour, it can fill 1 by 10th of the full tank. 1 by 10th of the full tank can be filled by P alone if it is working alone. This is the story of P. Now if I go to Q, Q is filling the full tank in 20 hours. In 20 hours, it can fill the full tank. And in 1 hour, it can fill 1 by 20th of the full tank. 1 by 20th of the full tank, Q can fill in 1 hour. So if you go to R similarly we can write the logic. It is taking 30 hours to fill the full tank. R is taking 30 hours to fill the full tank. And in 1 hour it can fill, R is taking, so it is R, third pipe is R. R is taking 30 hours. R is taking 30 hours to fill the full tank. So R in 1 hour, it can fill 1 by 30th of the full tank. 1 by 30th of the full tank. This is the story of R. Okay, we have checked how P will work, how Q will work on the right side, and how R is working. This is about the working procedure. And if you see in the first 1 hour, P and Q are working. P and Q are open. P and Q are trying to fill the tank. So in the first 1 hour, P plus Q together. So how much of the tank they can fill? So P can fill 1 by 10 of the full tank. Q can fill 1 by 20 of the full tank. If you make LCM, this is 2 plus 1. So 3 by 20th of the full tank is filled in first 1 hour. 3 by 20th of the full tank is filled in the first 1 hour. So if you see in the second 1 hour, so P and R are working. in the second 1 hour, and we will group them together in second 1 hour. So P and R are working together. And how much of the tank they can fill? P can fill 1 by 10th in 1 hour, and R can fill 1 by 30. If you make LCM, this becomes 3 plus 1. So this is nothing but 4 by 30. 4 by 30th of the tank is filled. 4 by 30th of the tank is filled. So if you see in 2 hours, in first 2 hours, In first 2 hours, if you see, it is 3 by 20 plus 4 by 30. If you make LCM of this, we can take it as 60. And here it is 3 times means 9, 2 times means 8. So it is 17 by 60th of the full tank is filled in 2 hours. 17 by 60th of the full tank is filled in 2 hours. Okay, in first 2 hours. So if you, when this numerator will exceed 60, when the numerator 17 will exceed 60. If you take 17 into 3, it is 51. 17 into 3 is 51. 17 into 4 is 68. 17 into 4 is 68. So we can take 3 times. Okay, 2 hours, 2 hours, 2 hours, 3 times. Okay, so 2 hours, again 2 hours, again 2 hours. The amount of tank filled is 17 by 60, 17 by 60, 17 by 60, which is nothing but 51 by 60th of the full tank is completed. Okay, so this is in 6 hours time. In 6 hours time, okay, this is the tank full. 51 by 60th of the tank is full. Okay, so how much of the tank is left out? So if you subtract 1 minus, okay, so tank still empty. Tank still empty is nothing but 1 minus 51 by 60, which is 9 by 60, which is, can be 3 by 20th of the tank is still empty. 3 by 20th of the tank is still empty. Okay. Now what I will do, I will make this as equation 1. I will make this as equation 2. Okay, equation 1 is how much of the tank is filled. In 6 hours time, 51 by 60 of the tank is full. Equation 2, how much of the tank is still empty after 6 hours, it is 3 by 20. And if you use first 1 hour, what is happening? First 1 hour, what is happening? So P plus Q together, they are filling 3 by 20th of the tank, and that is the portion which is also left. So if in 1 more hour, okay, in 7th hour, we can say, in 7th hour, it is the P plus Q. These two are working in the 7th hour, and here also P plus Q, they are able to fill 3 by 20 of the full tank, 3 by 20 of the full tank. So in 7th hour, P plus Q, they can complete the empty portion, which is 3 by 20th of the tank can be filled. Okay, so finally what we are concluding, in 7 hours time, the full tank is filled by all the 3 pipes. In 7 hours time, the full tank is filled by all the 3 pipes. Okay, so in step 1, we are just writing the story in terms of some understanding manner. In step 1, we are also taking the work capacity of pipe P, pipe Q, and pipe R. Okay, these 3 are pipes, 3 taps are pipes. Okay, and in step 2, in first 1 hour, what is happening? In second 1 hour, what is happening? And first 2 hours combinedly, what is happening? We are analyzing, and that is the amount of tank filled in first 2 hours. In step 3, we are repeating that 2 hours, so that when the 17 will cross 60, numerator 17, when it is crossing 60 means after 3 times repetition it will cross. So we are fixing it within 3 times. So in 6 hours, 51 by 60th of the tank is filled. Now in step 4, we are finding how much of the tank is empty, and we are just comparing it in 7th hour, who all are working, P plus Q, because 6 hours completed. So we are going to the 7th hour, who are working as per the schedule, P and Q are working. The amount of work completed in 7th hour is also 3 by 20 that we are taking. So in a 7 hours time, the tank is filled completely by all the 3 pipes considered. Okay. Now what I am going to do, similarly, I will try the next problem. A water tank is 2/5 full. Okay. Pipe A can fill a tank in 10 minutes. Pipe B can empty it in 6 minutes. Okay. So pipe A, it can fill it in 10 minutes. So pipe A, in 1 minute, it can fill 1/10 of the tank. Okay, this is when it works individually. Now, what is happening here? There is a tank. Pipe A is trying to fill it. But there is a leakage at the bottom. Okay, this is taken as pipe B. There is a small leakage also. This is taken as pipe B. This is the tank we are having. Okay. Now B can empty it in 6 minutes. If you allow only pipe B for a full tank, it will just take 6 minutes, okay, to empty the tank. So pipe B in 1 minute, what it can do is minus 1/6 of the tank. Minus means emptying. Okay, so this is filling the tank. This is emptying the tank. This is the nature of, okay, nature of the pipes given. So A is a filling pipe, B is an emptying pipe. If both are open, how long will it take to empty or fill the tank completely? Okay, so if both are open, both work together, what will happen? Pipe A plus pipe B. So what is going to happen? It is, first one is filling, second one is emptying. So it is, if you take 30 as LCM, this is 3. 1/6 is a greater value compared to 1/10. What I have written is wrong here. So higher value minus lower value, because both are working together. Now higher value minus lower value. Or we will do like this, unknowingly itself. We are trying to do something. So this is 30 and this is 3 minus 5, which is minus 2/30, which means minus 1/15th. Which means if both are working together, they will try to empty the tank. Okay. So already it is given in the beginning itself, water tank is 2/5 filled. Okay. So every 1 minute, okay, both work together in 1 minute time. Okay, pipe A and B, they are performing like this. Pipe A and B, they are emptying 1/15th of the tank. This is in 1 minute. Okay. So, but the tank is already 2/5. It is full. When this 2/5 will be emptied? When? How many minutes will be taken? Okay. So if both of them work together, so that they will empty 2/5 of the tank. Okay. So when this 1/15, what you have to multiply? This is in 1 minute. 1/15th they are emptying. This is in 1 minute. When this 1/15 will become 2/5, what is the question mark value? Okay. If you see, if you take 6, if you multiply 1/15 with the 6, what will happen? 3 2s are, okay, 3 5s are. So it will become 2/5, and hence in 6 minutes time. This is just, otherwise for finding question mark value, send the 1/15 to other side. It will become 2/5 into 15. Okay, for finding the question mark, you send the 1/15 to other side. It will come to the numerator. If you cancel, 5 1s are, 5 3s are, 2 into 3 is 6 minutes. Okay, this is how they are working together. And 6 minutes, whether to fill the tank or empty the tank, only if you understand the question, you will be able to answer it correctly. It is to empty the tank. They are both are trying, because when they operate together, the tank is getting emptied. It is not getting filled. It is getting emptied when they are working.